Hey guys, it's Zach with IRV Blog again here, and I have here the DRACODesign 1 meter lightning cable in both colors. It comes in a black with a red lining in between. These are braided cables. And inside the box I have the silver version. It's a silver and white pattern on the braided cable. And both these cables have aluminum ends. The silver cable has silver aluminum ends, and the black cable has black aluminum ends. Do a quick unboxing of the silver cable. Also, just to let you know, which is pretty important, these cables are Apple certified. As you can see, it says 1 meter on the front here. It says the current is 2.4 amps, as that is needed with the Apple certification. And it says cotton yarn, braided cable. Back of the box, pretty simple, just like that. There's a paragraph explaining the certification. That's pretty much it with the box. Put the box to the side. I'll take out the cable itself from the tray that it comes in. And here's the silver cable. I'll give a close-up of both cables. So here's the USB end of the silver lightning cable. Looks very nice. The aluminum end adds a nice touch to the cable. Also, you have good string relief going from the USB end to the actual braided cable. Put my hand behind it so it focuses in. And there we go. Looks very nice and high quality. And here's the lightning end. Hand behind it again. It has DRACOdesign's branding on there as well. And a good string relief going from the lightning end to the actual braided cable. Also, I have Apple's cable. Put it side by side so then you can know know the size difference. Try to show you that right now. It's kind of hard because I have a cable dangling. I'm trying to mend it correctly. And there you go. The Draco cable is a tiny bit larger on the sides at the lightning end, and the end is taller, but is very small compared to other third-party Apple certified cables. And now here's the red cable with black lining. It's a red and black pattern kind of, and it is a braided cable. These do have aluminum ends as well. My hand behind it again so it focuses in properly. There you go. An Apple certified lightning cable. Here's a USB end. Looks very nice as well. Got good string relief. It's just a black cable with different color braiding cable. Looks very nice. So I'll just show you right now using DRACOdesign's battery pack that these do work. Gotta turn on the battery pack. I'll grab my iPhone 6 Plus, which I have right here. I'll plug it in. As you can see, it started charging right away. And there you go. See on the top right here, just charging. I'll turn the battery back off. Not charging. Turn it back on, and it works. And no errors come up when using this cable at all. I'll show you that it is reversible. There you go. Start charging right away and no errors come up. So overall, these are very nice cables. They're Apple certified. They work very well. And they feel very nice as well. Have a nice high quality feel to them. Along with the aluminum ends, which adds a nice touch to the cable. I definitely recommend these cables. This year is done by Zachary, and you get the DRACOdesigned Apple certified lightning cables that are braided, a 5-star rating. If you enjoy my content, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.